The tornado game. Outside, the rain was pouring heavily, splashing on the leaves and making little puddles all over the jungle. The jungle was wet and noisy, with raindrops tapping on the trees like tiny drumbeats. So the jungle friends stayed together in a small wooden house. With nothing to do, they soon felt very bored. Suddenly, Rory the raccoon had an idea. "Let's play the tornado game." "Tornado? How do we play that?" Zoe the zebra tilted her head. Rory laughed and explained. "We turn Timo's shell upside down. Then we sit or stand on it and spin really fast." Timo the turtle quickly raised his hand. "I want to go first. I don't even need to remove my shell." Before anyone could stop him, Timo started spinning. He spun faster and faster until he shouted, "I've never felt this fast before." Everyone burst out laughing. After that, Timo started feeling dizzy and carefully took off his shell. Tommy sat on the shell and began to spin, faster and faster, until he fell onto the floor. Gigi asked, "Are you okay? I'd better push you to the side." Then Rory hopped onto the shell and started spinning. Rory jumped down, and Snowy hopped on. Snowy spun the shell without spinning himself. Gigi enjoyed watching and spun her long neck around. Even though the weather was bad, the jungle friends always found their own ways to enjoy the rain. The end.